Hi, today's kitchen tip is about mushrooms. First of all, I'd like to show you how to buy mushrooms, and then I'm going to show you how to clean mushrooms. These are older mushrooms. As you can see, the gills are open on these. That's a sign that they're not really truly fresh. I can pop these stems out, and I'm going to use these for maybe some red rice stuffed mushrooms. I'm going to wash these exactly the same way that I'm going to wash my other mushrooms too, which I'm going to show you right now. First of all, you want to buy mushrooms where the gills are completely closed. That tells me that this mushroom's real fresh, okay? So I have a bowl full of cold water here. I'm gonna dump these in, and I'm gonna squish them around like this. Some of you might say, oh no, why aren't I using a mushroom brush? Well, I think that the mushroom brush is just one of those kitchen gadgets that's absolutely ridiculous. When you cook mushrooms, what happens? They release a lot of liquid. That's because they're full of liquid. And the premise behind a mushroom brush is the absorption of water, and that just doesn't hold up. So you can see I'm washing them. I'm able to rub them together like this. They're not fragile, they're not gonna break. Okay, I have as many mushrooms here as I need for my recipe. Now I'm gonna drain them, and all I have to do is slice the ends off and then chop them. This is your quickest and easiest way to clean mushrooms, and you can kiss your mushroom brush goodbye. Not only that, you're going to have a lot more room in your gadget drawer. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.